Workout resumed.
Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
How's the life over here?
Where are you going, sir?
I just was wondering, is it allowed to go inside or no?
No, it's not allowed, sir.
Not allowed.
Workout
Yeah.
pause.
Even now, as a tourist also, you cannot allow? No.
Because of the pandemic.
No, after the pandemic is over, it's been like 4 hours now, 4 years now.
4 years ago?
Yeah. But I heard that there is a inside resort, you can book the resort like 2K, something like this one.
You book at the SRBC.
Yeah, I heard somebody.
Because I have no employer right now. Because of
okay.
Election.
Election. Okay. So maybe probably by
Tomorrow.
because of election, it's not
Yeah.
allowed.
Six,
Yeah.
okay.
Long weekend, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can, yeah.
Go back to
Next Friday, next Monday.
next Monday
Next Monday.
to book visit the SRPC.
Okay.
No?
Okay. How to book it? Just come over
Just
here
video,
and then
yeah.
go. Or
Come over here and assist the my co-guard, Abalos.
Abalos.
Yeah,
Nice. And this is your office, right?
the
For the
office of
petrol.
the PNP police.
Okay. That's good. Okay, Mr.
Padilla.
Padilla, nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. God bless you.
If you want to visit the Kapse,
Yeah. Stay where?
if you want to visit the Kapse,
Uh-huh.
Little Dam, this way.
Yeah, I went a long time before there on the motorbike. Yeah. Yeah. That's nice place. I have a drone shot and something like this one. Yeah, it's amazing.
It's a beautiful.
Yeah, it's a bit good.
Are you a vlogger?
I am brother. Okay. Bro.
What is your name?
Paki. I am from Pakistan. So Paki in Philippines. PHL. But I'm just new only. I just started last year only. So
Because your you can follow your
you have internet here?
yeah, I have.
No. Go back. I don't know why it's not finding you over here. Is this you on the YouTube now?
Yeah.
Can you open this again?